With our construction paper, we're going to do some folding. So we need to use both hands together, and I want you to bring this end to this end, and then our bottom sides, we're going to connect the ends. Parents, if you want to help your student understand the concept of folding, I like to put a shape on one side. I'll do circles and circles. And then my other side, I will do a triangle and a triangle. We're going to bring the shapes together. Okay, same shape to same shape. So my circles are going to touch. And then I'm going to use both hands and pinch that side together. Then I'm going to go to the other side, a triangle and a triangle, they're going to touch also. And I'm going to use the table to stabilize. I'm going to push and move. Okay, so we should have a nice triangle. This should look like a tent. Okay, we have 2 more folds to make, and I'm going to give a line. Straight line on this side. I just did about 3/4 of an inch. The size doesn't really matter, but we do want to have a straight line. We're going to put 1 more fold on this line. So this time we want our crease to go across the line. I'm going to fold up. Oh, I could see my circle and my triangle again. So we push and move, push and move. Okay, I'll flip it over and do the same thing. My line was not perfect, but I'm gonna try to keep my fold as straight as possible. So push and move. Okay, now our tent should stand up. My tent looks like it's really too big for my campground, so I'm going to cut about 1/3 of it off. I will show you a nice straight line, as straight as I can get it. Okay, I only have to draw on one side because when I'm cutting, I'm going to keep my tent folded together. I will hold with my helper hands. My dominant hand puts the thumb in the top small hole, 2 fingers in the wider hole, and I open, close. Okay, that is a much more accurately sized tent. Maybe still a little bit big, but it fits on my campground much nicer. Okay, the next step is we are going to put glue on the edge. I'm going to use glue stick for this one. So on our flap that we folded up, we will twist the glue and just put glue on that whole flap. Okay, I'm going to also bring over the other side and put glue on this other flap. I will stand it up, and we will push it down. You can decide where you want your tent to go. I want mine off to the side a little bit. Glue it down. Make sure you use your pointer finger to really push down on those folds. This is good finger isolation, and you should have a tent standing up. Okay?